If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to optimize performance. Follow this guide to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update software. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and check for updates. Keeping your device updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Navigate to the game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help reduce strain on the hardware. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, go to the Quick Access menu, and exit any apps that you are not using. This frees up system resources for your game. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Adjust the power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Settings, then Performance, and select a power profile that favors performance over battery life. This can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If it gets too hot, it may throttle performance. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad if necessary to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of your Steam Deck and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy your gaming.